Welcome back, it's Charlene here. Today we're going to talk about something crucial as we step into the new year, creating a budget. Starting the year with a well thought out budget can be a game changer. So in today's video, I'll simplify the process into just 3 simple, actionable, and straightforward steps on how to create a budget for the new year for you. To bring everything to life, let's meet Alice, a 30-year-old single professional with a corporate job. Her dream for the new year is to purchase her first apartment as soon as possible. Now, Alice's story will guide us through the 3 essential steps to create a budget for the new year. Like and subscribe for more tips like this. Step number 1, assess your financial situation and set clear financial goals. The first step is to assess your financial situation. Do you have a property? How much mortgage do you have? And also take a close look at your income, expense, and debt from the previous year. This will help you understand where your money went and where you can make improvements. Next, set clear financial goals for the new year. Do you want to pay off debt, save for 2 overseas vacations, or invest in your retirement? Having specific goals will give your budget a sense of purpose and motivation to stick to it. Alice starts by assessing her financial situation. She reviews her income, which is $60,000 per year, and her monthly take-home pay after tax, which is approximately $4,500. She also teaches yoga on the side, which gives her about $500 extra per month. She hasn't invested yet, but plans to start in 2024. So she has no investment income now. Her total monthly income is $5,000. Alice also sets clear financial goals for the new year. Her big dream is to purchase her first apartment as soon as possible, which she estimates will cost her around $200,000. Alice plans to save a down payment of $40,000. Step number 2, create categories for your budget and start to budget. Once you have your goals in mind, create categories for your budget. It's very important to split them into 2 categories, non-discretionary and discretionary. Non-discretionary expenses are the must-pay bills like rent, transportation, and utilities. They are pretty much fixed and cannot be changed much. Discretionary expenses are where you can adjust, like dining out and entertainment. These are not essential and you won't end up on the street if you cut back. Also remember the importance of investing in your future. In finance and accounting, we use 2 terms, CapEx, short for capital expenditure, and OpEx, which stands for operating expense. While both relate to expenses, there's a significant difference between them. OpEx represents day-to-day costs similar to dining out or your electricity bill for individuals. On the other hand, CapEx involves investments in long-term assets such as your education or training course. It's crucial for you to prioritize investments that provide long-term benefits and income over short-term pleasure. So yes, keep your focus on spending on your future. Now let's see Alice's example. She breaks down her budget into categories covering necessities, non-discretionary, entertainment, which is discretionary, and saving and investing, which is CapEx. After calculating, her essential expenses come to $3,000 monthly, which includes rent, transportation, health insurance, groceries, utilities. She allocates $1,000 for discretionary spending, covering items like clothes, drinks, dining out, movies, and subscriptions like Netflix and YouTube Premium. Additionally, she sets aside $1,000 for investments in her future, which includes stocks, ETFs, and some mutual funds, and a training course on building a stronger investment portfolio. Just to let you know that I've prepared a budget template for your convenience. You can find it in the description section and download it for free. Step number 3, monitor, adjust, save, and invest. Monitoring your budget is critical for success. Regularly reviewing your spending ensures you stay on the right track. If you notice overspending in a category, it's vital to make adjustments. In Alice's case, her goal was to save quickly for a $40,000 down payment on her dream apartment. To achieve this, she took action by modifying her discretionary spending. For example, she cut her dining out expenses by cooking at home, saving around $200 per month. She also reduced entertainment costs by choosing budget-friendly activities such as hiking and swimming in the lake, which saved her an extra $100 monthly. These changes allow Alice to redirect $300 per month towards her savings, significantly accelerating her progress towards the 40K down payment goal. I get it, saving for the future can be easier said than done. In terms of savings, you may see as Chinese people as savvy savers. Drawing from my 20 years in China, I've boiled down 5 secrets to saving money like a pro. Want to know the inside scoop? Check out my video on the Chinese secret to saving money reviewed. Like, subscribe, and download the free budget template and click on the video on the screen. I will see you in the next video.